Hi my love, this is part 2. In case you haven't seen part 1, I'm going to leave a link somewhere. It's about how to ride your man like a pro. But whatever I explain to you here will help you know how to ride. These are tips that will guide you. Tutorials on such topics are banned on YouTube. They are not accepted. Okay? My channel will be in trouble. In fact, my channel may be terminated and deleted from the surface of YouTube if I do. So the ones I've been doing, I have been taking huge risk. And that is why I created an, do I even need to mention, OnlyFans page. And that's where I dump tutorials. And if you want to see tutorial of this particular video, you go there. If you really want to see the tutorial, that's where you can see, because it's allowed there. It is not allowed here. Number one tip that will help you to ride your man better is getting into a comfortable style. Getting into a comfortable style or way is not sitting upright. This is something that a lot of people complain about when they are riding their man. They complain about discomfort. So for you to be comfortable, when you sit on it, lean forward a bit or lean backward or lean away from him. Make sure you're getting into like 45 degrees. Not exactly 45 degrees, but just keep adjusting yourself until you get comfortable. So finding yourself in a comfortable style or way will do the most. Now, the first video, I was able to give tutorials on exercises that you can do that will help you ride your man better. Now, if you've engaged yourself in that exercise, it is something that if you've practiced consistently for months, you will be able to achieve a much more better result. Number 2, get your hair out of the way, and this is not the first time I'm saying it. If you have something short this way, that's very perfect, but something that is covering your face and you can't even see well and perform well, you can put it behind your ears, get it out of the way. Now, if you have something very long that when you bend over, it's blocking the hole, your leg may even press it down and then you get uncomfortable. Your hand may even... It's as if 3 elements are involved in this: the man, you, and the hair. So if you have a long hair, you either take it out or tie it up. I'll prefer you tie it up. Get it out of the way so that it doesn't pose as a distraction, okay? Third one is find the right rhythm. And what I mean by this is the fact that you don't need to be fast or slow or too slow. It's something you need to work out yourself. It's not something I can tell you. But what I'm sure, the one I'm sure of is being slow, which I'm definitely going to still talk about later. Now, the rhythm depends on how you're going to go up and down. You can put yourself in a very comfortable way. You mustn't stay and press your hand on his chest. You can actually tilt by the side on the left. You can tilt towards your right. Finding yourself in a comfortable way will also help you to bring up a better rhythm. Find a way that when you keep going and it feels like your leg is getting tired or you're getting tired, you can lean forward and do a little foreplay and then go back. So just find the perfect rhythm. Try new motions, like I've even said just now. New motions can be like different variations. It must not be the traditional style of you on top. You're just rolling your waist up and down. It can just be you trying to tilt towards the left or tilting towards the right or going back. It can even be you doing reverse if that is more comfortable for you. It can be you just going round motion. It can be you going up and down or going round. It can be you giving a little space for him to also come up and down. So it depends on what works for you and what will help you feel like you're doing a good job. This is so cute and beautiful, maintaining eye contact, and it helps. I know it can be a little daunting when you know, this is my first time. I don't know how to do this. I'm getting tired. You're already discouraging yourself. You will definitely get tired and you will not do it right. Once you start fidgeting, once you start feeling scared that you don't know what to do, I don't know what to do, I don't know how to do this, how do I even do this? You're setting the foundation for an epic fail. So, to help yourself, use eye contact even when you think you're doing nonsense. Yes, eye contact. The mistake we make is trying to trust or tries to bounce like the man does when they are the one doing the do. It's not the same. And it's not the same feeling that they get when you do that. They know that you should be slow. You can't be that fast with them. And even if you're so fast, you can't be fast for a very long time. Except you're an OG when it comes to gym. Like, you're so flexible and you don't get tired no matter how long you do that. So eye contact also helps you to focus more, also helps the romance alive, helps you get more comfortable. Number 6, talk. Eye contact isn't the only thing that you can do to build connection or more intimacy. Talk. Just like I always tell the guys, dirty talk. So whether it's dirty talking or talking, that's nice. Like, are you enjoying it? You can ask them questions to know how they feel. Tell them sweet nothing into their ear, because sometimes when you're ready, you can go down to grab a kiss. You can say things out loud. You can just little dirty chit chat here and there will help build more intimacy and help you get more comfortable. Assume new positions when it gets uncomfortable. When you start getting so uncomfortable and you can't help it, just assume new positions. Just like I said, you can move by your left, you can move by the right, you can even do reverse. And then there is one that you can do sit up as if you're trying to squat. You can try that too. Or you can just change and do something totally different that maybe he will take charge, okay? There's no shame in riding just for 2 minutes and then he takes over. You've done your part, you've tried your best, you're gradually learning, and with time, your time will extend when you keep practicing. This is something you should note. Be careful not to hurt him. Some people are trying to throw so fast that they don't know when they are trying to hurt the man. And once you've noticed that the stick, the joystick, is no longer firm, you need to stop, because you're definitely going to hurt the person. And when you're not in a comfortable way, it may cause pain or hurt. So try your possible best not to cause harm. And when you think that you're not trusting or doing well, that's when I told you can give them the chance to pound from down to up, or go back to foreplay, and allow them to also get comfortable as you are also getting comfortable. The next one that can really help you is getting a support. Getting the support may be leaning your body forward towards him and using his body as a support. It can also be making sure that he is laying or lying down well, so you can use the bed frame to give yourself support. If you feel that you're not getting enough support with the way you're staying, that will also help your body stay in place, and or your upper body be more firm while the down body is performing the act. So getting support is very cute. If you need pillow support, you can use pillow. But if you feel that you need a support to guide you or to help you to produce a more magnificent result, just make sure you grab that support. I've said it before, ask him for help when you get tired. You're getting tired, you can lean forward a bit, do some foreplay. You're tired of doing that trick, you can give him the chance or the opportunity to help you out. Okay, I've said that a lot of times. When it comes to riding, you don't need to be shy to tell the man or to let the man know that this is my first time, or I'm not a pro, I'm still learning. They are always ready to help. Just the fact that you decided to try it and do it, they appreciate the act. Add a little bounce. This is more like giving him a little show when you do the riding. It could be you wearing something that is revealing so that it helps your thing to bounce or even point. In that way, you're giving them some kind of show, and they don't even notice it that much when you're nervous, so that you'll be able to get comfortable. Because sometimes we feel so nervous when we know that they are watching, they are looking, they are noticing that I can't do it. It makes you more nervous. So to give them a little bit of a show, to make it more enjoyable, you have to give them some little bounce. So as you're doing this, something is bouncing in front and they are looking at it. So it depends if you want to remove everything entirely, if you want to put something more revealing or something that will make the 2 points to point more. however you choose to do it, but that will definitely count. Number 12, try stimulating him in other ways. So as you're doing this, you're not just only riding, you can stimulate other ways, in other ways, by maybe using your hands to play on the two, I'll call them giants in front. Some people can be an expert on using their hands to go behind their, I don't want to mention things, but there are things in their body that you can stroke or play around with. So make use of your hands. Another way of giving them a show is touching yourself. Some people are very good in playing with this while they are doing it. It helps you to get more comfortable. But if you're not yet that good in it, there's no need to adhere to these points. But touching or stroking yourself, it's a way to pleasuring them and giving them show, and it helps the both of you to get more comfortable. Now, you don't need to feel too pressured, and this is where I'll kind of talk about take it slow, calm down, don't pressure yourself. It is not a must that you will be a superhero in this. This is not your department, okay? And you just started, so gradually you get to master it, okay? So don't pressure yourself and put yourself in a situation whereby I must produce this result on the first try. Just have fun, feel relaxed, take it slow, and you will produce a better result. This is a very important point. Take a break. Take a break. I've said it before in almost all the points I mentioned. Like when I was telling you, when you think you're getting tired, you can stop playing forward, do some foreplay, or embed some kissing here and there. That is a way of taking a break. There's no way you keep riding for a long time. Even when we are exercising, we may do squats for 30 seconds and then we rest for 30 seconds and continue. Your body needs rest because you're not used to this activity. So when you do and you feel like you're getting tired, take a little break. You can take break by touching him. You can take a break by doing foreplay, kissing, and all that. And when you feel like your body has relaxed a bit, you can go back to what you were doing. Now, these are 15 tips that if you abide, you will master the art of riding. I have tutorials explaining how to ride. I even have exercises that will help you to master it. And now these are tips that will help you. So if you follow this to the letter, you will definitely produce a mind-blowing result. And here comes to the end of the video. Leave a comment down there below in the comment section. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel. Bye.